what we have here is an AUTO-VOX Solar4 truly wireless RV backup camera system with a rechargeable battery, 7-inch large 7-inch 1080p screen, and a camera system that comes with a built-in battery that's 660 milliamps. They claim that the battery can last 3 months without charging, in between charging, but it also comes with a solar panel, so you don't really need to charge it if you mount the battery or solar panel to the camera. This is just an unboxing. It also comes with an 18-month extended warranty if you register it. This is the solar panel. It's pretty small. It comes with a sticky tape. This is a USB cable for if you do choose to charge it. This camera also is dustproof, waterproof, up to IP68. And the camera itself also has a maximum range of 230 feet. High-speed operations at 25 frames per second. That's for mounting on the bracket. And there's the power button and a USB connector. This is an extension cable for the antenna for the camera. If you want to extend the range even farther than the range it's stating. It comes with, I think, a 10-foot cable. And this is a dash mount. It's pretty flexible. It's got self-sticky tape, so you can mount this on your dash and mount the camera or the screen on the dash of your car. What is this? This is your power adapter for your cigarette adapter for your car. It also has a pass-through and an on and off button. So if you wanted to charge something USB while you're using the camera. Also has a metal bracket for mounting the camera, and you can mount the camera vertically or horizontally, depends on how you want it. And you can even put the screw in there and through there so that it stays permanent. I have to figure that out in a minute. But that's, and then we got this mount for the camera too, which that mounts, so you can mount that on your RV. And I actually may use this one, but come up for RV. It even comes with mounting screws and some hardware with an even a little Allen wrench. The screen itself has a mount for the antenna. This is the antenna, screws in there, pretty easy. And this is, I think, the other antenna. Yes, this is the other antenna that I assume goes on the camera itself. This is just a quick, a short box opening of the AUTO-VOX Solar4 truly wireless RV backup camera system. As I do a second video when I'm doing the install, and we will see how everything works. Thank you very much. Okay, I'm going to probably edit this here and add the first part of the video where I do the opening boxing, but I went ahead and mounted the Vox Audio Solar4 camera mount to the top of my, I was going to mount it down here, but then I kind of like how clean it looked up at the top, and there's a lot, I want to make sure I hit something, and there's definitely something right there, but this just slides into place, and then the solar panel, it's a mini, so that's probably about my only gripe so far, is it's got a mini plug instead of what's that new style, come on baby, there, plug that in. I'm going to do something with the wires, and for right now I didn't mount the solar, but I'm just going to stick it. It comes self to 3M tape on there, so I'm going to glue that, just stick it to there, and then for right now, part 3 of the video, I'm going to put this monitor in the trailer. But if we hit that, that's the camera. Now you can have 2 cameras on this screen. This is just a temporary, I just set this thing in here. But I'm really super impressed with, I know it's not showing it, but the video quality, the frame rate that this thing samples at. I did a sample range, and I walked the camera all the way, you can't see, to the end of my driveway, which is pretty long. And I went all the way to the end, and I was still able to see the camera. I'm going to put it in my truck on part 3. I'll probably get my son to help me put all this into one video, and do a test and drive, see how far from the camera this thing actually, the range is, because it's pretty amazing so far. That's about it. Thanks. All right. Part 3, I know, because I can't hold the phone, and I'm filming this with my phone, and but I mounted the solar panel, which is so awesome. This thing is crazy awesome. This thing, like I told you, it's got a built-in battery, so it'll last 3 months without the solar panel. And I just wrapped the excess around the antenna cord right now. There was only a little bit, and yes, I put a little bit of painter's tape so I know that it's the front side. It plugs into the bottom. And I still may adjust the camera a little bit, but I think that's probably good. This thing is the bomb as far as cameras go. It does have a little locking screw right there, that Allen key, and it comes with an Allen key and everything. So now we just have to test the range on this puppy, and we're good to go. All right, well, I just put the monitor, it's a 7-inch AUTO-VOX monitor, on here. I was pleasantly surprised. You just plug it in and you'll see how fast this thing syncs to the camera. Takes about a second. Bam, it syncs to the camera on the back of the trailer. I know that the camera, the quality is amazing. It's 1080p at 25 frames per second. It looks 4K. I mean, it really does look amazing. What I was really surprised is, and I've already kind of did this just to see the range, and the other thing is, look at that, 102 degrees today. It's crazy. But if we back up, and the camera still looks really good. I'm slowly backing up. The camera still looks really good. Really, really, really good. Sorry about that. You see how far I'm away. I'm a couple hundred feet away, and this thing is still picking up the camera perfect. I'm getting to the end of my driveway to the street, and you can see how far I am from the trailer. The camera's still not even missing a beat. This thing is amazing. Thank you, AUTO-VOX, for this, for making this super high quality. I love this camera system. I'm so excited to go camping. Good luck, you guys. Any questions and comments, I appreciate it. I read them all and I like it. Thanks. Bye.